Hi everyone, we are Team Data Dreamers and today we will be discussing about world migration patterns through years. Our dashboard aims to answer 4 important questions that are: who are these migrants, where are they coming from, where are they going, and why are they migrating? First, let's talk about origin continent of the migrants. The majority of migrants come from Asia and Europe, which adds up to 70%, and very few people move out of North America. So the question arises, where are these migrants moving to from Asia?
To answer the question of where these people are moving from Asia, this chart shows us the proportion of people moving to different continents. We can see that the maximum amount of people is moving from Asia, within Asia, it's an internal migration, followed by Europe and followed by North America. We can see this pattern being followed over the years, with Asia having the highest internally displaced people, then Europe, then North America. So to answer this question of why people from Asia are choosing Europe and North America over the years, we need to see at the factors that is affecting it. Europe being near to Asia is not a legitimate reason, because that defeats the purpose of Africa being near to Asia with almost no migrants moving. Additionally, you can see for other continents of where people are moving from, and to explore more reasons of why people are moving from one place to another, this is the next chart.
One of the most important factor is income and development level of the destination country. So we see here that 65% of the migrants go to high income countries. And we also see that majority of migrants fall in the age group of 25 to 40 years, which makes them useful human resource to these developing countries, and thus it justifies the 65% number increase in the high income regions.
Continuing with the topic of high income regions, GDP is also a factor which can affect migration. Over here in the chart, we can see the blue regions which have accepted net positive migrants, and red regions which have lost people to migration. USA, Russia, and Germany have ranked top 3 amongst the countries which have gained more migrants than they have lost. And we can also see that USA and Germany have quite high GDP, and Russia not so much. What happens when we go to the year 2000? We see that here Afghanistan is surrounded by 2 blue blocks, and Pakistan has ranked amongst one of the top 3 countries that have gained migrants. What could be the reason behind it? One of them could be the civil unrest in Afghanistan that year.
So here we see a peak of war death in 2000, and we can see that the main death is because of the civil war and also the inter-country war. On the right hand, in this line chart, we see that there is a drop for Afghanistan, and it's because of at that time there's a severe civil war, so people move out to nearby countries like Pakistan for safety issue, as we see in the previous chart. So in our analysis, in the conclusion of our project, we explore different features for migration, and we also show that people may move out because of several factors like economic, social, or safety reasons. As we know from above analysis, we then build prediction model for the migration in the near future.
This is our model, which has been built on the dataset that we explored and did the visualizations on. You can see if we select a country from here, for example, Algeria, and give a future year, for example, 2030, and asks our model to predict, it gives a predicted net migration rate, which is at a RMSE of 0.0061. Finally, I'll introduce my team members. This is Apoorva Sharma, Aratrika, Naicih, and Shubhashree. We built this entire visualization dashboard, and it has been a great